NinjaOne Honest Review, my experience with remote monitoring and management tools. In today's world, efficiency and automation are everything. That's why I tested NinjaOne, one of the top-rated remote monitoring and management platforms. Here's my honest review and what I learned from using it. Most people get this wrong. They think RUM tools are only for big enterprises. But NinjaOne is designed for both MSPs and smaller teams. The interface is clean, fast, and user-friendly, even if you're managing dozens of endpoints. Setup was straightforward. Once installed on client machines, NinjaOne gave me real-time visibility into device health, performance, and security status. I could automate software updates, run scripts remotely, and even resolve issues without interrupting users. What stood out most was its automation power. For example, I created policies to alert me when disk space ran low or antivirus protection was outdated. The system handled it automatically, saving hours of manual work every week. The dashboard is intuitive and reporting tools are detailed, which helps when you're managing multiple clients. Integrations with tools like TeamViewer and CollectWise make it even more powerful. The only real downside is the pricing. It's not public, and you'll need to request a quote based on your setup. But for the value it provides, the cost is justified. In short, NinjaOne is one of the most efficient and reliable RUM tools I've used. It's fast, secure, and packed with automation that makes it management smoother than ever.